Hello everyone, welcome back to Career 360. So hey future engineers, today we are unveiling the top 10 engineering colleges in West Bengal that accept WBJEE scores, featuring institutions from prestigious government names like Jadavpur University to top private picks like IEM Kolkata. So stay tuned to find your perfect launchpad. Starting with initially the college that stands on number 10, it's Heritage Institute of Technology, Kolkata. It's a private college. Placement percentage, if I now just talk about for this particular college, it's 88%. Okay. Median salary, 4,83,000 and the tuition fee is 5,79,200. Now the highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech Computer Science and Engineering, it's 4,283. Talking about the highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BTech Civil Engineering, it's 82,868. So these closing ranks is basically filtered on the basis of general category, the last closing rank and the last round for WBJEE counseling. Let's move ahead and now talk about the college that stands on number 9th position. Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Kolkata. It's a private college. The placement percentage is 98%. Median salary is 5,50,000. Tuition fee is 6,99,900. Okay. Highest cutoff branch, okay, if I just talk about is BTech CSE. So the highest closing rank for this highest cutoff branch is 58,848. The highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BTech Electrical Engineering, it's 1,05,983. So to get into this particular institute, you should have the ranks above the ranks which have been mentioned over here for the current year, okay. So these all are basically filtered on the basis of the general category, the last closing rank, the last round for WBJEE counseling. The college that stands in number 8 position is Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology, Kolkata. It's a government college. The tuition fee for the entire course is basically 55,201. So the highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech Ceramic Technology, it's 11,827. Moving ahead and now talking about the college that stands in number 7th position, Bengal Institute of Technology, Kolkata. It's a private college. Placement percentage 63%, median salary 4 lakhs and the tuition fees 3,97,200. Highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech CSE, is 1,07,831. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands in number 6th position, JIS University, Kolkata. It's a private university. Placement percentage 95%. It's a good number. Median salary 3,50,000. Highest closing rank for BTech CSE, that is the highest cutoff branch, is 1,10,100. Moving ahead and talking about the college that stands in number 5th, Kalyani Government Engineering College, Nadia. Ownership, it's a government college. Placement percentage 95%. Median salary 6 lakhs. Tuition fee 57,600. Highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech CSE, is 1,876 and the highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BTech Mechanical Engineering, is 4,039. Okay, moving ahead and talking about the college that stands in number 4th, Narula Institute of Technology, Agarpara. It's a private college. NIRF ranking ranges from 201 to 300. Placement percentage 100%. Median salary 6 lakhs and the tuition fee is 6,99,900. The closing rank, highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech CSE, is 25,499. Highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BTech Electrical Engineering, it's basically 1,10,314. The college stands at number 3rd position. It's the Institute of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. It's a private college. NIRF ranking ranges between 151 to 200. 96% is the placement percent. 4,80,000 is the median salary. Tuition fee is about 8 lakhs. 3,500. Highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch, BTech CSE, it's 8,796. Highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, BTech CSE Networks, it's 68,436. Moving ahead and now talking about the college that stands in number 2nd, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, Kolkata. It's a government college. NIRF ranking ranges between 101 to 150, placement percentage 100%, median salary 4,50,000, tuition fee 2,32,300. Highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch BTech CSE 3,799. Highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch, that is BTech Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology 7,544 basically. Let's talk about the college that stands in number 1, Jadavpur University, Kolkata. It's government college. NIRF ranking is 12. Placement percentage 100%. Median salary, it's basically 10 lakhs. And tuition fee is 22,840. Highest closing rank for the highest cutoff branch BE Computer Science and Engineering, it's 309. Highest closing rank for the lowest cutoff branch BE Printing Technology, it's 2,620. So, whether your goal is the elite corridors of Jadavpur University or the industry-backed quality at IIM, these WBJEE friendly colleges offer immense value. Comment below which college you are aiming for, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more engineering. All the very best and good luck.